everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Mini Brands Fill the Fridge and Mini Brands Retro Advent Calendar. I can't show the whole thing because it's so big. Let's start with the Mini Brands Mini. Whoa, that's a lot of mini. Our first ball. Ooh, perfect peel. Whoa! No, the magnet! Ooh, this one's new. It's a grocery list. Cool. We have... Whoa, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. A lot of these are very flat. Oh. Let's start with yellow. And first, we have a tiny box of Natural Choice Honey Deli Ham. Huh. I'm not one that's big on ham, but that's cool. Next baggie. This one feels more cylindrical. So I'm gonna put my bets on Pringles. Or wait, water, maybe? Oh! Mike's Hot Honey. This is surprisingly a really pretty bottle. I don't know, I really like the design for the print. And the last yellow bag is Eggo Homestyle Waffles. I love waffles. I've never tried Eggo though. I probably should. There's a bunch of different types of waffles you can have on the back, showing each of the different type of waffle shapes that you can use for each of these things. Next are the green bags. And we have another jar of kombucha. I guess that's useful for a store, but it seems the lid is on crooked. Uh-oh. This feels so small. And it's cooked lobster. Wow, there's a whole lobster in here. Huh. Cool. The final for the ball. I want to end on something good. And it's turmeric shot. It looks cool, I guess. I've never tried this before, but I will later find what it is. Okay, I've made space for all the other foods. Let's open the next ball. Come on, perfect peel. Nice. Then maybe this will be our lucky ball. Okay. Seems Lady Luck might be on our side. Let's have it stay that way. This time, I think I might start with green. Oh no, the magnet. Oh. It's another grocery list. Let's open up the first one. It seems like we got milk. Yep. This is a double for me. But since my dolls have like a bajillion cats, I guess that's quite useful. Next seems like a jar of sorts. And we got oats. What on earth am I looking? Oh. I love it. Everyone stop what you're doing. It comes out. That jar has fallen twice. I am mesmerized. I am happy. I don't know what else to say. Wow. It's got little blueberries and strawberry slices with tiny little oats. And the lid has a little sticker. It's so pretty. You go right with the other jars. Next, we have some sort of irregular shape. I can't tell what it is. But it looks green on the inside. I knew this was a lucky ball, dude. Broccoli florets? It is insanely detailed for being a clump of green. Look at that. This is magic at this point. At this point, it's just magic. Mini Brands really has no idea how insanely awesome their products are. Like, genuinely, look at the detail that goes into this. And to think it's mass-produced. Okay, on to yellow. I feel a box. I'm scared it's pizza. So let's hope. Yeah, no, it's pizza. A double. Yeah. Well. Luckily, I'm a big fan of Pizza Hut. The table's getting a bit messy again. I'll clean it up later. And we got mac and cheese! I really want a double so that I can open the little plastic layer here. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so much. Like I said, like I said, Mini Brands, they don't know how amazing their stuff is. It's so beautiful. And we got ice cream. It says BR ice cream with, I can't read the rest. It looks like it has chocolate and almonds. Perfect for the boiling weather right now. That's all for Fill a Fridge. Now let's open Retro. Let's clear up because the box is huge. Let's start with number 1. And we got Dum Dum Pops. These are super cute. I kinda wished there would be real ones inside, but honestly I feel like that would be I feel like that would be impossible because it's just so small. So instead they filled it with a little bit of foam. 2 And we got sliced pineapples. I myself love sliced pineapples, but I like fresh ones a lot more, so. And for number 3, we have, the compact powder. This is Revlon Retro Compact Powder, but unfortunately, I cannot seem to open it. Very disappointing. Luckily, it will still work as very nice clutter in my dollhouse. Next is number 4, and it's the original version of one of the frozen minis we own, the cheese balls. The frozen mini is like pouring out with a little bowl at the bottom, but this one has a lid and is very clearly closed. Next is number 5, and we have sun-made raisins. I really don't like raisins. I don't know, I just don't like them. But the box is very pretty, so I guess it's fine. Before we continue, here are some of the items close to a doll. They are ginormous, but that's okay. I know I'm still gonna use them somehow. Next is number 6. If I can just open it. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh! And we got a battery! Huh. Radio B battery, 9 lives. Huh. It looks like it can open, so I'm gonna try that out. Ooh. Oh. Well, I was kind of expecting like a label on it or something. I don't know. Do batteries have labels? I can't remember. Oh. Anyways, let's just put that back. I love how it fits so snugly. It was perfectly made for the box. And next is 7. And we got perfume with a ginormous lid. Wow. It's really pretty, but I am wondering, will this fit against a doll? Okay, yeah, no, this is so big. Luckily, it will fill up a table nicely. I guess the dolls will just never run out of perfume. Ever. And next we have number 8, which has... Oh my goodness. It's a tape. I really wanted this one. I want one in real life. What? It's so small and at the same time so cute. It's got details on the front and back in the form of stickers. And it fits snugly into its case. I really want one in real life. Anyone want to donate to me? I wouldn't mind one. Number 9. And here we have beef stew, which is in a ginormous can. And number 10, we got a magazine. This is a double for me. But I still think it's really nice. And number 11 is hot tamales. My friend actually has a metallic can of these. And, well, the candy's gone, but she just keeps it as a trinket, so I guess now we match. Next, we have... Ooh, Kodak. Oh. This is supposed to be the film for the Kodak camera, and it seems to be open. Oh, it's empty. Well, I guess I could have assumed that. And number 13 is Spam, a type of canned meat that's seemingly really popular. But it's a double for me, so away it goes. Number 14. And it's a magazine. This is Better Homes and Gardens. It's got nice finishing and doesn't open. But if you would like something that does open, maybe check out the free printables under this video. And number 15 is, if it will let me open, Hershey's syrup in a can. Why is it in a can? I think it's a good thing. And I mean, chocolate is chocolate, no matter where it is. So I guess canned chocolate is fine. Number 16. Oh my goodness. Come on. Turtle wax, which should be a type of car wax. It's perfect for mini dad. Maybe I should make a garage. 17. And we got Hershey's Kisses! No matter how many times I get this, I will always love it. Forever accepted in our household. And number 18 is Mike and Ike. It seems to be a similar candy to hot tamales. I like this box's design because it's both portrait and landscape. Next is 19. And we have... Ooh, film tape! This is for the, this is for those, not cameras, but the ones that project, movies. And you put it in, and it just spins, and it plays the movie for you. I actually want one in real life, but I don't know where to get one. 20. And it's another can. This seems to be for a car since it says oil. I don't know. To mini dad it goes. 21 is a cookbook. I don't know why, but I just love all cookbooks, basically. They all have very interesting designs. This one doesn't open, but that's okay. Oh. That reminds me, we have our own Christmas cookbook that can open in the link below. 22. Oh. Peanut butter! This is another double, but I love peanut butter, so I don't care. 23, and we got cereal. Frosted Flakes. This is pretty interesting for me because I've never seen Frosty before his redesigns. It also seems to have some stuff on the back, so stickers. 24, and it's Fruit Loops. A double for me. But since my brother and I love cereal, I will let it slide. Let's open up the fridge. And possibly the freezer for things like our lobster. That should be everything that is able to go in our little fridge. Now let's turn this around. Let's make this into a snack box. So a bunch of candies. All for the kiddos. Into the little basket goes our Eggo. Let's move these two to put all of our canned food. and cereal. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The shoutouts for today go to Suchman and Chelsea, DIY Dolls 25, and Taylor's Dollhouse. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Bye! 君との距離を探している時間は溶け出すチョコレート指の隙間に溶けてゆく思い出は砂糖菓子みたいに少しずつ溶けて消えてく